turn fucking right. Really? Maybe if you turned your fucking indicator off, I wouldn't have thought you were turning fucking right. Not me, there's two of them. Where the fuck are you going? You're indicating left, right. Some sort of cunt, aren't you? Yay, turned it off, prick. Oh no, it's back on again. Expense of this fucking muppet. Hooray! Well, what I was going to say is we are off on a little excursion. See if we can transform this R1 into a better one. Got to go about 30 miles per hour, just over an hour journey. And we'll see what happens. I think the hour journey is because of all these plumsing cars. Oh God, what is it with everyone's fucking indicators? Hello? There's no fucking telling what fucking lane people are in. Do these average speed areas work? Because everyone else has just flown down now. A bit like him. I don't want to get done with speeding. We're going to have to get a lick on when we can though. We haven't even got onto the towny villagey bits yet. I'm sure they're going to be full of cars. Nice t-shirt dude. It's going to hurt. Just for the slide, not for the ride. Fucking yeah, it's hot. It's supposed to be 29 today, but what's your skin worth? I'm sure it's pretty sore when they're picking the gravel out the burns. I'm going to move over, it's L'Oreal. This should have only took about 5 minutes to get down here. Do we really need all of this coned off? Tell how thick and hot it is, look. 93 degrees doing 48 miles an hour. If you ain't coming up to the giveaway, I will. This is where the traffic should start. Where the fuck are you going? Note to self, don't come back that way because the bike will get dirty. Just come over, why don't you? I could just stick your indicator on and pull over. This is where I thought the worst of the traffic was going to be. I need to get past these fucking plums. Luckily, just up here, I think we're forking off down the country lane, and hopefully this truck won't be going that way. Fucking dickhead. This is the country lane, which apparently is really good. Cooper's Hill or something, I don't know. Too narrow for an R1, but who knows. It's a nice corner. Nice car, let me pass. Phone seems to have shut itself. Would have been great without the cars. I have been down here before. There's a nice lump of poo there on the corner. Finally the phone's turned round. Hello! Fancy seeing you here. I'm just going home. Just been to HM Racing, get the on the dyno. He said, oh, I've never seen a carburetted bike done so well. He said your fucking fuel ratio, it's straight along the line. He says nothing wrong with them carbs. He said check your coils. He said your chain's like that. But he said the carburation, you ain't going to get that no better. He said it's perfect. Yeah, but it's like trying to do 20-30, it's like blah, 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 blah. He said it's possibly your coils are breaking down. He said try them. He said but it ain't your carbs. This road's nice, isn't it? Where it goes... Huh? Yeah, I know, I got caught behind some cars coming down. I was like, oh, for fuck's sake. It's fucking hot, isn't it? See, normally I'd be looking out the window going, oh, is it going to fucking rain today? I'm like, it's too fucking hot. I literally got the bike out, started up, put my lid on, and I was like, ready. So when I put my coat on, I just went. Oh, no, 31, the air temperature. Oh. Well, my lid's soaked now. I'll go back to Seven Oaks then. are still noisy. I was going straight on at that turning. I nearly straight, I was like, fuck! Yeah, it went that way. I need a fag. The McDonald's along the road, and now? I'm going that way. Borough Green. No, straight. Alright, I'll see you later. Bumped into one of my mates on his obnoxious R1. I had a little blat, as you've seen by now. Little drinky poos at McDonald's. Now I'm gonna go home. Hopefully not get stuck behind these cars all the fecking way. Nice van man moving over. Motherfucker. Now my bike's dirty. I'm going to call it here because I'm just sat in traffic now. You don't want to be seeing that. So, take it easy. Stay safe. Laterers. Right, I can get past this fucking retard now.